I don't know why should they say that they can't wait. As I said to you, this is not only that you can just write a paper and then you can change the law. They need to understand the reality. This is a central law. Some people, they mislead about the central law. They say, why should MMDR Act be implemented in Meghalaya because we are the 6 schedule area? It's totally, it is totally misinformed. So what I'm saying here is, the citizens of it need to understand what the law. If it is the state law, yes, we are ready to revisit it immediately. But if it is again central laws, there are processes where you need to approach. You have to go step by step. Then ultimately you go to the government of India, approach. If need be, maybe they can go for the amendment. So you should not just say that state government does not do, or we are not we are not responsive. But let me tell you one thing: we are very much positively responsive to any issues that we face in this state.
But did the government mislead the public that this MDA government was the first government to bring scientific mining? Because now we're getting to know that scientific mining hasn't even started.
No, license has been granted. Because see, again, when we issue the license, it is not the government who implement it. No, this is the private party, the private sector, who is supposed to undertake these activities. It is not the government. You can't blame the government if we are the one who has to do the mining. But I'm telling you, we can't, we are not. It is only for the private parties or the private individuals who has to do the mining activities throughout the state.
So clearly the people are suffering. The small-time coal miners, you have seen they are hit the street, they are on a hunger strike. Is the government with the people on the idea that the policy should be tailor-fit?
No, don't ask me so much question. Let me just tell you one thing. In shortcut. On the 22nd, we will do the detailed presentation from the technical team where we will study, is it possible that we ban the MMDR Act or not? Until the presentation is made, we can't. And because see, the presentation also is being prepared by the expert. And the expert, what they did was, they did their homework diligently. And on Monday, we will have a detailed presentation made by them. We invited also the stakeholders that you should also be present and see the reality, how it can be done. Okay, thank you.
Thank you.